1966 Shelby 427 Cobra SC sells at $2.94 million at RM Sotheby's Scottsdale. The British racing green 1954 Jaguar D-Type, a works Le Mans entrant in its day, sat patiently next to the auction stage for both nights of RM Sotheby's Scottsdale auction, just waiting for its turn across the block at an estimate of $12 million to $15 million. As bidding fell flat at $9.8 million on Saturday evening, it became clear that the reserve would not be met, leaving RM Sotheby's High Snails Award with a 66 Shelby 427 Semi-Comp Cobra and its $2,947,500 winning bid, some $500,000 over the top estimate. Semi-Comp Cobras are rare, the result of Carroll Shelby converting leftover competition cars for street use, after failing to meet FIA homologation requirements. Runner-up at RM Sotheby's was 1948 Tucker 48, the exact car once owned by Preston Tucker himself, with a winning bid of $1,792,500, nearly $300,000 over the car's high estimate. Third place went to a 1964 Ferrari 250 GT Lusso, at $1,682,500. Other interesting results included a fine example of a 1967 Toyota 2000 GT, one of just 62 produced for the US market, which brought $665,000, right in the middle of its estimate range. 2000 GTS were poised a couple years ago to start selling in the $1 million range with some regularity, but have seen a correction since then, and this price felt market appropriate. Several modern supercars were on hand alongside the vintage offerings, the top seller of which was a 2017 Ferrari F12 TDF, which appeared as new with roughly 200 miles on the odometer. The Ferrari sold for $1,325,000, towards the high end of its estimated sales range. A somewhat rare and older supercar, the 1993 Bugatti EB110 GT, sold just over its high estimate at $967,500. Besides the aforementioned